Hi Ecoverse friends! We will be demonstrating how to make a papercrete planter. This is a sustainable way to make something new from reusing everyday materials while benefiting our environment and future instead of buying a new planter. This planter is made from newspaper, concrete, and plastic containers for molds. As you can see, the planters are made from produce containers and Gatorade bottles. Several containers will be needed to mold the concrete newspaper mixture. They can vary in size depending on the size of planters you want. A mixer and gloves are two other materials that are also needed to complete the planter. The first step is to shred newspaper and add to a bucket filled with water. Make sure the newspaper is completely submerged in water and let it soak for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. We tried mixing our newspaper too early before the newspaper was wet enough. If this happens, you'll be unable to mix the newspaper. After letting the newspaper soak, we were able to use the mixer to mix the newspaper more easily this time. The next step is to add concrete to the newspaper mixture. We started by adding 4 cups of concrete and mixed that with the newspaper. The ideal consistency would be similar to peanut butter. Our mixture was too watery after we added the 4 cups, so we added 3 more cups of concrete to get the right consistency. This is an example of what the consistency should look like. Next, mold your containers by first putting the mixture at the bottom of the container. The thickness should be about 1/4 inch thick. If the mold is too thin, it will not be able to support the soil and plant that you plan on planting in the planter. We suggest making your planter mold thicker rather than thin because if it is too thin, the planter will fall apart once we take the plastic off. Allow 48 hours to dry, and once dry, you can cut off the plastic mold. Then you're done! Happy planting, Ecoverse friends! Thanks for watching.